The sky is calm. Blue, endless, familiar. The sun hangs exactly where it always has, unchanging, reliable, eternal. And then it explodes. Not slowly, not gradually. In a single instant. The star that gave birth to every ocean, every breath, every heartbeat, tears itself apart. A flash brighter than anything humanity has ever seen. And in that moment, everything changes. This is not just a solar flare, not a storm, not a pulse of radiation. This is something far more violent. A supernova, one of the most powerful events in the universe. Stars die all the time. Massive ones collapse and explode, releasing more energy in seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. But our sun is not supposed to die like that. It's too small, too stable, too ordinary. And yet what if it did? What if, against all known laws of physics, the sun suddenly became a supernova? What would happen to Earth, to the solar system, to time itself, as we understand it? Deep dive. What is a supernova? To understand the scale of this scenario, we need to understand the event itself. A supernova is not just an explosion. It is the final scream of a star. When a massive star runs out of fuel, gravity wins. The core collapses inward at unimaginable speeds. Temperatures rise into the billions. Pressure becomes infinite. And then rebound. A shockwave erupts outward, ripping the star apart. In that instant, the star becomes brighter than an entire galaxy. Energy floods space in every direction. Radiation, heat, shockwaves, high-speed particles traveling near the speed of light. Everything nearby is erased. Everything farther away is changed. This is not destruction on a human scale. This is cosmic annihilation. Comparison: our sun vs a supernova star, but our sun is different. It is a yellow dwarf star. Stable, middle-aged, quiet. It does not have the mass required to collapse into a supernova. In reality, it will slowly expand into a red giant billions of years from now, and fade into a white dwarf. Peacefully. Predictably. But in this scenario, that future is erased. Instead of billions of years, the end comes instantly and violently. Cause and effect. The moment of explosion, it begins at the core. Something impossible happens. Fusion destabilizes. Gravity loses balance. The core collapses inward and rebounds in less than a second. Then the explosion. A wave of energy erupts outward at a fraction of the speed of light. For a brief moment, the sun becomes billions of times brighter than normal. From Earth, there is no warning. No alarm. No chance to react. Just light. Blinding. Absolute. Total. Seconds after, the light arrives. 8 minutes. That's how long it takes light from the sun to reach Earth. For 8 minutes after the explosion, everything seems normal. Birds fly. Oceans move. People live their lives, unaware that the sun is already gone. Then the light arrives. But this is not sunlight. This is something else. A wall of radiation. Gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet energy beyond anything Earth has ever experienced. The sky ignites. Not in orange or red, but in pure white, brighter than day, brighter than imagination. In that instant, the atmosphere begins to burn. Minutes after atmospheric collapse, the radiation tears through the ozone layer instantly. No protection remains. Ultraviolet radiation floods the surface. DNA breaks apart. Cells collapse. Life begins to fail at the molecular level. The air itself heats rapidly. Winds form. Violent. Chaotic. The planet is no longer stable. The shockwave hours later, but the worst is still coming. Behind the light follows the shockwave. A shell of plasma and stellar debris moving at thousands of kilometers per second. It races outward from the dying sun. Mercury is vaporized. Venus is stripped to its core. Earth waits. Hours pass. The sky grows darker as the initial flash fades. But then it arrives. Impact on Earth. The shockwave slams into Earth's magnetic field. For a fraction of a second, the planet resists. Then it fails. The magnetic shield collapses. Under the pressure, charged particles flood the atmosphere. The surface begins to heat rapidly. Oceans start to boil, not slowly, but violently. Water turns to steam. Continents scorch. The ground cracks under thermal stress. Everything burns. Gravitational consequences at the same time. Something even more fundamental changes. The sun's mass is gone. Or rather scattered. Gravity weakens instantly. Earth is no longer held in orbit. Instead of circling the sun, the planet moves in a straight line. Into deep space, the solar system dissolves, planets drift apart, orbits collapse. Everything that once moved in harmony breaks into chaos days after. A dead world within hours. The surface of Earth is unrecognizable. Within days, it is dead. The oceans are gone, boiled into space, or frozen in darkness. The atmosphere is stripped away. Temperatures swing wildly from extreme heat to unimaginable cold. Without the sun, there is no energy. No light. No life. Long-term effects. The solar system, the remnants of the sun continue to expand outward. A glowing nebula spreads across space. Debris from the explosion carries heavy elements: iron, gold, uranium, seeding the cosmos. In a strange way, destruction creates possibility. Somewhere, millions of years in the future, new stars may form from this debris. New planets. New systems. But here, in this moment, everything we know is gone. Comparison. Reality vs. this scenario. In reality, none of this will happen. The sun is stable, predictable, safe for billions of years. Supernovae occur in massive stars, not ones like ours. And yet, the universe is not bound by human expectations. Events on this scale remind us of something deeper. We exist in a system of balance, a fragile one. Reflection. Bigger picture. The sun is more than a star. It is the reason Earth exists as it does. Every sunrise, every shadow, every living thing depends on it. We often think of it as constant. Unchanging. But in the universe, nothing truly is. Stars are born, stars live, stars die. And sometimes, they die violently. Conclusion. Final moment. If the sun became a supernova, there would be no survival. No escape. No second chance. Just a brief flash of unimaginable brightness. And then silence. Darkness. An empty, drifting world. Ending. Teaser. Open question. But this raises a deeper question. If something as stable as the sun could suddenly change, what else in the universe might be less certain than we believe? And what if the next cosmic event isn't billions of years away but closer than we think?